So if you haven't listened to me reading this book yet, I think you should find it on our Facebook page. I think you will really enjoy it. And once again, a thank you to the Oneida Nation, Indian Nation, that gave us this beautiful book. So I was very lucky also to get an audio sample read by Mary Blau, I believe it's pronounced. She is of the Turtle Clan, one part of the Oneida Nation, and she is a language instructor in their program, teaching people to help preserve the Oneida language. So this first page is read in English, and then the second page will be read in the Oneida language. So here we go.
Hopewell didn't see any fish, or his tail either. The tail of Hopewell had frozen in the water, and it broke off when he tried to pull it out. Wahausae Hopewell, Hopewali naho bedam skaknaks. Wahonapwase neji watoyeguni names skaknaksa. Daknu dehoni dashagu. Hopewali wahanutuni. Uza hogalyakse skaknaks.
So if you listen to that a couple of times, you will actually kind of be able to follow along and come borrow this book and help preserve the Oneida language. Have a good day. Bye.